Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of class 10th CBSE pattern arithmetic progression exercise 5.3. So that is 18th question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B, starting with centers A of radius 0.5 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 1.5, 2 centimeters, so on as shown in the figure. What is the total length of such spiral made of 13 consecutive semicircles? Hint given as length of successive semicircles is L1, L2, L3, so on, with centers A, B, AB, so on. So first write down what is given in the question. Given that the radii are 0.5, 1 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters, so on. Circumference of semicircle is 2 pi r by 2, that is equal to pi r. We need to find the total length of the spiral. So the length of first radii is 0.5 centimeters, that indicates 0.5 pi. Length of second radii is 1 centimeter, that is 1.0 pi. Okay, using Sn formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so finding d value. So what we get? 1.0 pi minus 0.5 pi, we get 0.5 pi. Substitute in the formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n equal to 13, a value is 0.5, d value is 0.5 pi. Substitute the values. You will get 13 by 2 into 7 into pi. Convert that pi into 22 by 7, we get 143. Therefore, the length of the spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles is 143 centimeters, guys. I hope you understand this sum. Find it out, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.